So the materials you will need is an art journal. I use a lot handmade art journals, but if you are a beginner, then probably with a simple notebook, it's gonna be fine because we are going to do mostly collage. But if not, I will recommend a sketchbook. So you go to the art store and buy a sketchbook that can be used with different mediums. Then you have the plastic folder. Then these sheets that you have to download and print it out. Then you will need a white and craft paper and also black one. And in my case, instead of using the normal white paper or cardboard, I will be using this special paper, which is rice paper, which is for Chinese calligraphy. But I absolutely love the texture and the way it behaves with the different mediums. This stencil is from Dina Wakley, but you can use whatever you have. A stamp from Z-After to give texture. These markers are acrylic markers. I am using Posca. There are different brands, but in my case it's 0.7 and 0.9. Watercolor pencils. I am using Caran d'Ache, but you can use other brands. Or simple color pencils. Brushes, nothing fancy, one for watercolor and others for acrylic paint, a ruler, scissors, a compass. If you don't have, you can use like plastic cups. Then the ink for stamping, the acrylic paint. I love a lot this Amsterdam brand and the ones from Dina Wakley, but there are a lot of in the market. Liquitex matte medium to glue the different elements, a staple, and that's it. So see you in the next lesson where we are going to start creating our elements for the art journal page.